Morena whānau.
Ngā mihi whānau.
Kia ora whānau, ngā mihi kia koutou.
Ni hao whānau.
Kia ora whānau.
Mauri ora whānau.
Ngā mihi whānau.
Kia ora te whānau. I'm just commenting on how the response has been from the series that our comms team have put through. Been blown away by the interest, by the support that you've shown for what we're doing at Whangaroa for our people. And so thank you whānau for all your support so far. There is still a lot more to do yet, so kia ora te whānau.
Haohao Te Tangata is about gathering our whānau and our hapū together.
It has been a journey I've only been part of for coming up to 20 years. It has been challenging at times.
There's going to be a lot of earnest kōrero amongst ourselves to find the best way forward so that we can all go forward together.
Now's the time because we've been stuck in a rut for so long, and it's a way for our people to highlight the grievances, highlight your troubles, and let's heal them so that our kids don't have to carry them.
It's just simple. We need to do the do. No more talk.
Redress isn't everything, but it's something, and it's a modern day tool that we have available as a people to either use to our advantage or not.
Signing a deed of settlement is basically signing the sovereignty, the mana, the rangatiratanga of your iwi away. That's not how I view it.
But just accept that you've been wrong, move on and get on with it. And then one day maybe you have an outcome like this.
And then the other check that we do is we make sure we give you a call and we make sure that you are who you say you are and that you have a connection to Whangaroa.